Running reduce on an empty array returns undefined if you don't initialize the accumulator, and that single oversight can crash production apps. Defines a pure function named sum that takes two arguments and returns their arithmetic sum, intended to be used as the reducer callback for array methods. Declares and initializes a constant array ARR1 containing three numeric elements 1, 2, and 3, representing test data with a valid initial state. Declares and initializes an empty constant array ARR2, serving as the edge case scenario where no initial values exist for reduction. Invokes reduce on ARR1 and ARR2 using sum as the reducer callback and 0 as the initial accumulator, then logs both results alongside the label with seed. Calls reduce on ARR1 using sum but omits the initial accumulator, allowing the first element to become the initial value and accumulating from the second element onward. Starts a try statement to safely execute code that may throw an exception when reducing an empty array without an initial value. Attempts to invoke reduce on ARR2 using sum without providing a seed, which has no elements to infer an initial accumulator from. Catches the error thrown in the try block and binds it to the identifier E for inspection. Constructs and logs a string combining the error name property and message property of the caught exception, indicating why the reduce call on ARR2 failed. Ends the try-catch structure initiated in line 5, finalizing error handling for the reduction operation on the empty array. Always initialize your reduce accumulator, especially when working with dynamic arrays, to avoid silent failures. Subscribe for daily coding videos.